Hi, property viewers. Welcome to another property tour. Today, you're joining me in Clarendon, Jamaica, where I'll be showing you 46 acres of prime development land with a bonus house offering 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Now, this is a fixer-upper that can be lived in. As a matter of fact, it is currently occupied, or it can be a part of your development. Guys, if you're interested in this property, give me a call. My contact information is in the description box, as well as it will be displayed at the end of this video. Guys, remember, if you're interested in accessing royalty-free music, use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds. Now, before we get into this tour, property viewers, remember to like this video, leave us a comment, share this video as well, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's take a look at this lovely property. Property viewers, we're just off Shekels Drive in Four Paths, Clarendon, where we have 46 acres of prime development land available for sale. Now, right here we have a house. As I said, this is a bonus house. It is a fixer-upper. It's currently occupied. It offers 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a lot of yard space. You can see that it is fenced. We have a vehicular access gate as well as a pedestrian gate. But property viewers, separate and apart from this lovely home, we have all of this land that is just centrally located in Four Paths. Now here we have access to a number of schools. The post office is walking distance from here, as well as the police stations. A number of amenities are close by. As a matter of fact, we took Highway 2000 to get here, and it was a really easy drive down. Now guys, come around here with me. All of this space is the development land that we are going to be taking a look at. The land extends to my right and it goes all the way back. Now this property is perfect for subdivision. It is perfect for some homes to be built here. Perfect for developers and investors to take a look at this property. Now guys, the price is always negotiable. We have a motivated seller, so make your offer, give me a call, and let's take a look at this property together. Now I want to show you more of the land space. You can see the land is very flat, and I want to show you what else this property has to offer. So come with me. So property viewers, you can see I'm wearing sandals here. That is to show you how level this property is. There is no need for any major grading or leveling because we have a flat land. And you can see that a portion of the property is cleared, just to give you an idea of how level it is. And trust me, it is like this throughout the entire property. Now, property viewers, as I said earlier, this property is perfect for an housing development, and it offers a great return on investment. Now guys, just take a look at this space. All of this We have a lovely mountain view there, and you can see that there is development surrounding the property. Now, property viewers, there is a great demand of housing infrastructure here in Clarendon, and I do believe that this property can be a part of the solution. In addition to all of that, property viewers, I want you to note that all major infrastructures are already in place. We have access to well-paved roads, highways, we have water, cable, internet, electricity. All of that is right here. Remember, if you look through the bushes right there, you'll see some houses. And that is just to show you how close you are to your neighbors, that you are not in the middle of nowhere. You can hear the vehicles passing on the roadway, just to show you how central this location is. Perfect for housing development. I can't say it more. All right, so there is another portion of the land that I want us to take a look at, and we're heading there now, so join me. So property viewers, as I shared with you earlier, this is the other portion of the property that I was telling you about. And again, you can see that it is a level piece of land. What I really love is that we have these houses just across from the property. Beautiful homes. You can see that this is a developing area. As a matter of fact, you can even consider this space a developed area. What I really like too is the fact that the land, it wraps around this community, so you have multiple access points to the main road from this property. Now guys, here in Clarendon, I have for sale 46 acres of prime development land. And as I shared with you earlier, there is a bonus house that offers 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, along with some additional spaces. We have a level piece of land that is ideal for housing development. And there is a rising demand of housing facilities here in the parish. Property viewers, if you're seeking development land, I have this property available, asking for 115 million Jamaican dollars. And of course, the price is negotiable. So make your offer and let's see where it goes. Another property that I have available is a development property in St. Catherine, offering 115 acres of land. Asking price 218 million Jamaican dollars. Once again, the price is negotiable. Both sellers are motivated to sell. So give me a call. Let's take a look at these properties together and let's submit your offer today. Guys, if you're interested in these properties, my contact information will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box. Remember, before you go, to like, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next property tour. Bye.